had your lunch? Well guys, it's a fun shift. So I said, how's everybody doing? Excellent. As Mercer said it a minute before, we're having a big sale on our diamonds and tanzanite. It's going to be only for 1 hour only, right? An excellent prices that you're going to get it. That's an excellent savings. Now guys, it's a sale and it's a raffle at the same time. So one lucky person is going to win a store merchandise worth $100.
Once again, a very good afternoon, Carnival Liberty family. This is your cruise director, Butch, inviting you to take a break from the sun because in just about 10 minutes time in the Hot and Cold Dance Club, I am hosting my favorite event of your entire cruise vacation. It is my Crazy Disco Line Dance class. If you're at the show last night, we were dancing on stage, but now it's time for everybody to learn together, even if you think you can't dance, even if you think you have 2 left feet. 2:45, Hot and Cold Dance Club. Don't miss it, folks. It's going to be an absolute blast. Later this afternoon at 3:30, I'm going to leave it 3 games of bingo. And by the way, a big congratulations to Valerie from Washington, D.C., our recently named Carnival Liberty Master Mixologist, one of your fellow guests. Her drink, Yellow in the Tummy, is on the happy hour right now on the Lido Deck, and later tonight will be the drink at every single bar and lounge of the drink of the week. Congratulations, Valerie. We'll see you at dance class in just about 10 minutes time, y'all.
On the planet, next to Alexandrite. Has anybody seen Alexandrite?
Yeah!
Excellent. Does anybody ask it? Nobody? Well, it's the first rarest gemstone on the planet.
And we offer adoption as well.
Now, as I said, why tanzanite? It's the second rarest gemstone on the planet and one of the biggest source of investment. Do you guys believe in investment? So this is the perfect place to buy a tanzanite for an exceptional price that you can get it. Now Alexandrite, coming back to that point, you cannot find that stone anymore. It doesn't exist more than half carats. Okay? Now, for a good quality of an Alexandrite, at least for 0.10 carats or 0.20 carats, can anybody quote me how much you're going to pay for it? Well, you pay between $15,000 to $17,000. That's not even for a carat actually. It's for 0.20 carats. It doesn't exist more than half carats. So if you buy more than half carats, that is like 58.58. It's going to work out for around $35,000. As it is said in economics, as the supply goes down, the demand goes higher. So the same thing is happening with tanzanite. It was discovered in late 60s. Okay. During that time, you could have bought a tanzanite for $20. But now, every 6 months, the price goes up by around 35 to 40% per annum. It's 1,000 times rarer than diamonds. So, at present, if you buy a tanzanite for at least a carat, you pay between $900 to $2,200 for an excellent quality. Now, can anybody tell me what does the tanzanite color?
Blue!
Purple, absolutely right. Well, actually the color range starts from light lavender and goes up to deep dark purple. It is said when the stone is going to be more in dark, it's going to be more in value. So when you come across with a darker shade, do make sure you buy the dark one. Now, tanzanite has got altogether different characteristics as compared to the other gemstone. It's the only gemstone on the planet which creates 3 different colors when the light passes through it. You see the color of my shirt? You see it? It has a hint of pink in it, right? So it's called a trichroid. When the light passes through it, you see the 3 different colors. Now this is how the piece looks like. So can I get some oh? Can I get some ah? Now guys, this piece is an exceptional one. It's one of a kind piece. You have it, you'll be the only one to have it. Now this piece directly comes from the mine and it comes along with the gem card. You'll come across with many pieces that we have in 4 cases right here. All one of a kind pieces. They have the laser inscribed number in it and each and every detail. So whatever we speak, nothing is going to be wobbled. Everything is right here. Okay? And if you believe in investment, these are the pieces to look for. Okay? Now, buying on board, what makes it something special? It's all about saving and the confidence with a peace of mind that you have a genuine piece. All the pieces, they have been certified. You get a certificate. So as I said before, people can speak anything, they can write anything, but once it comes in a printed format, you will never ever go wrong with it. sizing, servicing, it's all free of course, wherever you are in the world, okay? Now there is one more important thing to look for when you buy a tanzanite. A precious gemstone, it's never ever set in sterling silver. So if somebody is trying to sell you tanzanite set in sterling silver, don't wait for it. Just run away from there. Okay? And apart from that, as I said, only for 1 hour, it's going to be an excellent savings. These two cases right here, it's full of white gold. Right here, where my colleague is standing, Mr. Joginder Jaspal, all the way from India. That particular case, it's full of yellow gold. So if you like yellow, that's the piece. Last but not the least, we have the beautiful lady from Mexico. She's standing, Miss Mariana. Well, if you like something different, normally you will find tanzanite set in white gold or yellow gold. That particular case, we have a couple of pieces set in rose gold. So makes it something different. Now ladies, when you dress up, the most important thing, you dress up to be different, right? So those are the pieces to look for it, okay? Now guys, all the pieces as Marcel said, 40% off, for them of 15% discount. And in the system, they are reflecting much more lesser price. So once you're buying the piece, do make sure to check the price in the system with one of my colleagues, okay? Back to Marcel. Okay guys.